Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia. Today, I want to walk you through the 5 signs that you might need a technique reboot.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Number 1 might be the most obvious, and this is a reduced range or lack of ease in your upper range, which can be due to many reasons, but namely an imbalance of registration or a lack of strength in your upper register. Number 2, vibrato problems. Have you been told that maybe you have a bit of a wobble or a tremolo, or perhaps your vibrato just doesn't feel consistent note to note? This can be a sign of undue tensions and too loose or too pressed phonation and or registrational imbalances. Number 3, passaggio problems. Oh, this plagues everybody. And this can present itself in many ways. Sometimes just a feeling of strain as you get to that area of the voice. Sometimes it's an inability to pass through the passaggio to the upper register or to the lower register. And sometimes it can just feel unstable, like the pitches are not quite locked in, and sometimes the vibratory pattern gets interrupted. Number 4, and this one can be pretty subtle, lack of breath support. You feel like you just never have enough support, like the body just can't quite get under the instrument. Or even if you feel like the body is under the instrument, you feel like you have to just give more and more. This can be a sign that some phonation balances are out of whack and need to be addressed. Number 5, and this can be a tricky one and a bit of a sore spot for some bigger voices, but this is problem singing coloratura or fast notes. If you feel like you can't quite articulate cleanly the pitches that you're thinking, or the voice kind of wants to skip over and not go smoothly from pitch to pitch and make it audible. And the bigger the instrument is, if it's even out of balance just a little bit, it can make it hard to articulate those pitches and have the laryngeal freedom to move from pitch to pitch. Did you answer yes to any of the 5 checkpoints? If so, you might be due for a technique reboot, and I invite you to join me on December 5th and 6th, where we will be looking at these issues in depth, plus learning tips and exercises to up-level your technique today. Joining me in this 2-day seminar are sopranos Alexandra Lucian, Katrina Galka, Rebecca Davis, mezzo-soprano Crystal E. Williams, and emotional freedom technique and mindset coach Jenny Clift. In these 2 days, you're going to be learning a bunch of technical perspectives and exercises, plus learning how the mind plays into overcoming technical issues. This is truly a unique experience, and you aren't going to want to miss this. In addition to the 2-day seminar, you will receive access to a private pop-up Facebook group where you will receive support and feedback on your videos and on your questions. The first 15 registrants who sign up will receive a bonus private session with me, so please, if you're on the fence, don't wait and sign up today. Further information can be found in the link below, and I look forward to seeing you all there on December 5th and 6th.